everything is being treated very bad. Even the vegetables you eat. It's not from the milk, not only dairy products. It is everything you eat, at least from the country where I belong. I don't know what about you, but it's really alarming that everything that we eat, we cannot face what we are eating, whether it is poison or it is food. So the answer I am unable to, how can you have to at least eat something, and everyone cannot grow at his or her own, and from where he can get, he or she has to purchase something from the market, and from the market you are not sure whether you are getting that is good enough. Other thing that we can do, we can just encourage the Gursikhs. अपने हाथ भी पढ़ रहे हैं गुरसिख बड़ी सच्ची सुच्ची किरत कर रहे हैं है ना why not we just encourage our youth to come up at the agriculturists to produce good products and get their business also and provide the solution to the society as well. I think it could be the better answer to you well.
Anyone else want to add on to that?
I think some personal feedback. Diet is really, really important. What you put into your sleeve then has repercussions. If we're going to eat a lot of processed foods, it's not good for you. Okay, you're eating a lot of things in plastic, you eat a lot of frozen foods. Now, I mean, I'm guilty of it. I'm not saying my path is really good, but we have to address that issue. So, yes, you've got genetically modified foods that you're purchasing. Ideally, what you want to do is look at and analyze your diet. And what is it you're eating and what's the purpose of you're eating? And if you look at diet and you look at nutrition, you'll see that there's cures for likes of cancers and different things by carb. Only you eat a lot more broccoli, a lot more sprouts, and this gives you this nutrition, this gives you nutrition. So if you're going to look at your intake and you're trying to change your diet to become a vegan because of cruelty, I think you need to address your diet full stop and look at what you are putting in and then what's going to come out. If you eat raw more, if you eat fresh more, it's going to have a better effect on your body. If you're going to eat processed, fried, fatty, saturated fats, it's not going to be healthy. So I think take the whole diet into context and see what you're trying to achieve by that, not just how dairy was taken out.